So now when we first came out here and started working, the erosion was on this side. Now it's here, and that's a pipe that goes back to the road. And then this over here is new as well, and this pipe comes off of the center here and goes back to the pond. What we've said from the beginning is I think there's several things going on. Coated the inside of the pipe, that's this black sealant that we've put inside here, because we saw signs where water was coming through those bricks. And what's happened is, what we fixed the last time was the mortar was shrinking, so it was letting water come in. We've got that fixed, and we've changed the heavy flow of water that comes behind these. We fixed that. So as we assumed from the very beginning, there's a lot of things that were done on this box that need to be protected. And unfortunately, we've done the cheapest parts, and we were hoping by doing the cheaper parts first that would fix it. Where somebody's been stashing their dog waste bags. Thank you. When we look at this pipe here, just because it's an easy to show, the concrete that they use to tie in the pipes to the box is shrinking. As we look at the bricks, you'll notice that the mortar between the bricks are shrinking. That's what we fixed on the last two junction boxes. So you can see here where the water used to come up, and follow that line right through here. Behind this discharge riser, you would have been standing in water. Now, this here, there's two orifices, and I don't know. I would have to look at the as-builds and know that those have not been available. But there's several orifices in the side of this, and the vegetation is covering them up. But if we look from the inside, we can see them here. And looking through this, there is an orifice that's below where the sediment is piled up. Now, sometimes they do that, and that's a pipe that goes underground out into the middle of the pond. I am assuming that's what that is, that trickling coming in. Because like I said, this is the pond elevation is lower than normal. So as we look at these inlet pipes here, you can see quite a bit of sand. That's the dirt that used to be around that junction box. You can see in here that there's water standing. That water standing goes all the way back up into that pipe.